Hi friends, this video shows how to use Find My Remote feature. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go down, set remotes and accessories. Go down, then set Find My Remote. So here we have to enable this option, Find My Remote. Let me enable, done. After that we can locate misplaced remote by playing a sound. For playing sound, we just need to press this reset button that we can find on backside of this device. Just press this reset button, press and release. See, you can see the sound here. So this way we can easily find this remote. Then just press any button, that way we can stop it. Let me play again. Just press this reset button. See. So this way we can use this Find My Remote feature. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.